Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Before we get started, we want you guys to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications in just 3 seconds. Are you guys ready? Because here we go. Count. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you guys were successfully able to complete the 3 sentence challenge, we want you to comment down below what kind of fidget toy is your favorite, because we have a package right here and we're going to be opening it and it's full of fidgets. So let's get into it. Woo! Okay. So first we're just going to rip this off. Wow, it's tape. It's like sticky. I've really never opened an Amazon package before. So
Evie, how did you never open one?
Yeah, well, I've never opened one because I never needed to. So we're just gonna cut right here, or just tear the other side. See, I'm a destructor. Okay, I see it. Here it is. Look at how cool this is. It's like in a little box. So we are going to open it. This is like so cool. Brynn's trying to look at and see what's inside that we got. Okay. First thing that I see, Brynn, pull the first thing out that you saw. Okay. So the first thing that Brynn see is this wacky track. And we don't have a lot of fidgets, so that's why Mom ordered this. It's a wacky track. It is a blue and green one, the most common one. Okay, I'll pull the next one out that first caught my eye. Is this, and now we do already have this, but we don't know where it went, so we have
Can I explain it the next one? We also have this cotton candy.
It's like a cotton candy infinity cube. And we have 2 other infinity cubes, but we don't know where they went. Next thing Brynn pulled out was this little Rubik's Cube. And yes, it doesn't look like we're going to use this, but it's still good for our fidget collection. And now, this is a really easy one to solve, but will we still use it? Of course. Okay, next is this. It's a really hard foam football squishy. Really, really hard. Okay, then we have this. It has, so first it's a little joystick, then it's like some buttons, and then on the side we have like some little rollies, and then we have this. We have like a textured pad, we have this thing, and like you can roll it back and it flings. We have a little one. We have a button, and then that's all that's on this fidget toy. Next, this is like a barrel, and it's a puzzle ball. You have to like try and match all the colors. Okay, then we have this marble mesh, and we've never had any. We don't have any marble mesh, so this is our first time feeling it, and these feel pretty weird. I thought they would be more soft. We have 2. We have this purple one and this blue one. And this one was like a surprise, so yeah. Okay, Brynn just pulled out this cute little bunny mochi. It's so cute. Now, we don't have a lot of mochis, so we will open every single one that's in the package. Okay, now it looks like there's a lot of things in this package.
So we'll open that last.
Yeah, we will open this last. Then we can open this one now. I know what this is. This right here. Don't open this one yet. Okay. And then right here we have a orange snake. Now we have another snake, but it's not orange. It's red. So we might have sunset colors. If we just get a yellow one, then we will have the whole sunset collection. Okay.
And we have another one.
Then Brynn pulled out this unicorn mochi. You guys can't barely see it in the package. And then Brynn also pulled out another little mochi. It is a green alligator. Then she pulled out another mochi, and it is this cute little thing. And then she pulled out 3 pop tubes. We don't have this blue one. We don't have this green one. But we do have this purple one. But is it fine to have duplicates? Of course it is. Okay. Last thing in the box are some monkey noodles. So the first thing that we're going to open up in the packaging are our mochis, okay?
Let's both open 2. I want to open these 2.
I'll open these 2. Okay, Bryn's going to open hers first.
Here's a little bunny. It's so cute.
Let me feel. Oh, yeah. It is cute. It has like little ears and stuff. And we do not have this one, so we will keep the mochis
so
up
they
here.
don't get too.
Okay, my turn. I'm going to open this like little, I don't know what it is yet. It looks like a crocodile to me, but
it
also.
It looks like a turtle to me.
Yeah, it looks like a turtle or a crocodile to me, so we're going to see what it is. Okay, so it looks like this is a dinosaur. None of our. So, yep. Look how cute it is. So cute. And we do not have a lot of mochis in our collection. Okay, Brynn. Okay, what did you get?
Let's open them from the other side.
And Brynn, we have scissors here, right here.
Okay, scissors.
Here, I can open it for you. Okay, cut it open. Let's see what it is.
I didn't cut it.
What is it? What is it? Brynn, that's not how you cut it. You have to cut, like, see that? That's where it cuts.
Okay.
You can't cut it right That's not where it cuts. See, I cut it for you. Okay, what did she get? What is this? Oh, it's a little unicorn. Okay, so she got a little unicorn. It's so cute. So cute. Okay. Okay. And I'll open my mochi. My last mochi. Okay. You have to stay up here, little mochi. Okay. This is the mochi I got. It's like a little bear, and it's so cute. And mochis are one of my favorite fidgets. So, because they're just like so small and squishy. So, I like them. Okay, next package thing are the monkey noodles. So I'll open these monkey noodles up. Oh, they're already open. Okay. Let's see. Oh, these are like the skinny. Oh, wait, no, these ones are like medium ones. Because we have like the skinny ones. But these are not as skinny. So you guys have to do the stretch. As soon as you get monkey noodles, you have to stretch them. Like, that's the appropriate way to do monkey noodles. Okay, now we have the big package. Okay, Bryn's gonna open this one. Probably gonna explode everywhere. Let's see. Here, do you want help? I can help you, but I won't take anything out. Okay, there's tape on it. Okay, Brynn, pull out the first thing.
I'm going to pull out your hand.
Okay. So, Brynn pulled out a bike chain. We don't have any bike chains, so this is our first bike chain in our collection. And this is actually very cool. Oh, we have 2. A black bike chain and a red bike chain. Okay, Brynn, what's the second thing you pulled out? Okay, so the second thing Brynn pulled out like this money. It's like a money fidget spinner. And then we have this yellow fidget spinner. And then we have this green one. So satisfying. Okay, then Brynn pulled out a pea popper. We already have pea poppers, but this one is like a puppy. It's a puppy. It's a puppy.
Let me see.
It's like a puppy, Brynn. See?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Brynn, what's the second thing? Okay, then she pulled out these 2 little spike balls, and they stick together. You can, like, connect them. Okay, Brynn, what's the second thing? Oh, she pulled out these. I forgot what they are called, but she pulled out. Okay. She pulled out these little things. Oh, acupressure rings. So she pulled out these. It's like a little massage on your fingers. It feels really good, and it's just wire. So it's just wire. Well, guys, if you like this video, we want you guys to like, and we'll see you next time. Bye.